All right, I have the 2009 R35 GTR in front of me. This video is going to be a extensive detailed walk around, highlighting any imperfections that I see. I will be as picky as possible and as thorough as possible. Of course, if there's anything else you personally want to see highlighted, let me know and we will get that to you. But I'm gonna start with a quick overview. 09 GTR with 2017 front end swap, so 2017 headlights and a 2017 GTR front bumper. It's an OEM style front bumper. It's fiberglass. It's painted black underneath of the wrap. Front splitter, side skirts, and then rear bumper splitter as well. The GTR also has 2017 GTR taillights as well, and then a carbon duck spoiler and a carbon wrap on the roof, and then obviously the rest of the car is vinyl wrapped, black underneath the vinyl wrap. Owner will include the stock bumper as well. Okay, let's begin with the first panel. And we've got the driver's fender. Everything looks good there. Driver's door. Rear quarter here. OEM windshield. No cracks, just some minor chips from rocks over time. Rear trunk here just has a tiny little scrape there in the wrap. Small little scrape there. Rear bumper. Passenger quarter here. Usually you can see door dings and stuff like that even through the wrap, and so far I don't see any that have caught my eye. So at this point I can pretty confidently say no door dings or dents, anything like that. Passenger door here. First imperfection that I see, the side skirt is a little droopy here. One of the clips broke off. It's easily repairable, just a plastic clip there, but owner has not gotten to it yet. Let's go with the hood here. Front bumper has some rock chips. Fitment, I would say, is not the absolute most perfect fitment in the world. It is a aftermarket front bumper. Like I said, the stock one will be included. The stock one is wrapped as well, with a different color wrap. Looks like a GoPro mount, and then some chips in the fiberglass bumper there. Some chips in the front bumper. Front bumper here, got some fiberglass chip in as well here. Side skirts, or not side skirts, I'm sorry, fender liner. It's not really there anymore. We'll get it on the lift here after this and get some more detailed shots of the fender liner. But yeah, it looks like it's missing some of the fender liner there, and then passenger side fender liner as well is slightly missing. Just this front part here. Next, we'll go to the wheels. We've got a little bit of rash right here. These are newer style GTR wheels, I think. What year? GTR wheels? 2020, yes. So 2020 GTR OEM spec wheels. These look decently good. No curb rash I see in this one. Let's see. 15th month, 2021 date code for the Potenza RE70s. Looking for the date code on these. 2019 date code on these tires. These are Dunlop Sport tires. RE070R tires. 2021 date code on these, matching with the other side. And then these are all matching with the other side of the front, the Dunlop Sports. Curb rash on this wheel here. Headlights are in mint condition. I don't see anything crazy there. Side mirrors. Wrapped carbon there. Begin with the interior. Door panel here. There's a little bit of some chipping in the window tint there. LED interior bulbs. There is wear in the window switch panel here. All seals here look like they're in good shape. Some wear in this interior panel. Some wear right here. Leather here, or leather dash looks in good shape. Dash looks like it's in really good shape. Some wear on the panel here, interior trim. There is. Let's see if I can get there. That's the dash there. It's like a tiny little chip in the dash there. Seat is in really good shape. That is the cord for the radiator, or the Valentine 1 hard wiring. Carpet's spotless. Oh, I didn't show this here. Cup holders. Passenger seat looks in pretty much mint condition here. Some wear here on the panel. Looks like a little indentation from our car seat, I assume. Owner's manual stuff in there. We'll just highlight that. Headliner's got some a little dirty, nothing crazy. Let's pop the trunk here. Bit of a scrape there underneath the trunk. course, plastic panel here has some wear. Tighten exhaust. Unfortunately, the vanity plate does not come with the car, but pretty cool plate. Let's look at rear brake pads. Plenty of life left there. Let's go to the front pad. Front pad, plenty of life there too. There you go. Perfect. See? Looks pretty even wear on the brake pad there. All right. And lastly, we'll just, go underneath the hood. And that should conclude it for the walk around video. Here's where the car shines, in my opinion. Aside from being an R35 GTR. Upgraded turbos, upgraded transmission. Motor was just refreshed. I have receipts for everything. Every single thing will be uploaded. I just drove the car and it's a blast. Definitely put a smile on my face. Fluid looks really clean. There's the battery. Optima yellow top battery. Here's the stack of maintenance receipts. We'll go through all of those separately later. All right, this concludes the walk around video. We'll be doing a few more videos after this, and I look forward to a fun bidding. Talk to you soon.